Well, good afternoon. It's our Ag Market Network Afternoon Update. I'm Pat McClatchy. Interesting day today. Of course, we had the crop report that came out at 11 o'clock along with the supply and demand report. A lot of reaction there. We had a positive cotton report, or at least the immediate reaction was positive, and a negative grain report for corn and also for soybeans. At the time the report came out, cotton was up 10. Just before it came out, it was up 10, and then it rallied and got up 70 to 80, and then within minutes it was back to unchanged and even lower. It's closing up 5 at 61.95 with a high of 62.91 and a low of 61.61, a full 130-point range from high to low, which is pretty broad for what we've seen recently in cotton. The soybean market closed down 9 1/4 at 8.57 with a high of 8.68.5 and a low of 8.50. The December corn was down 7 1/4 at 359.5 with a low of 367 3/4. A high of 367 3/4, a low of 356. Now, soybeans were down 4.5 before the report. They sold off and got down 14 at one point. Then they are going to close down 9 1/4. Corn at the time of the report was down 3.5 just before the report. It got down about 12. It's going to close down 7 1/4. We're making I believe on both those markets contract lows. So interesting to test those lows, make new lows, and then come up off those levels. Wheat down 10. December wheat was 491 3/4 with a high of 509 and a low of 488. Before the report came out, wheat was down 7 1/4. It's closing down 10. The dollar's up 28. Crude oil's up 30 cents a barrel. Gold unchanged, and silver is down 4. And the Dow Jones is down 8. That's it. Join us tomorrow morning at 7:30 at the Ag Market Network for our monthly cotton teleconference. You can go to the Ag Market Network and be able to see, get the instructions on dialing in. And I'll also put it on our Facebook and Twitter to let you know how to do that. That's it. Thanks for being with us. We'll see you tomorrow.